Hey guys, it's Evan back with Elevation Basements for another awesome basement tour. This is our Blue River project in Littleton, Colorado. I can't wait to show you what we packed in this one. Starting off here in the bathroom, the first thing here is the tile that flows from the floor all the way up the shower wall to the ceiling. Really beautiful wood grain tile. Nice frameless shower glass, a bench seat, and then a vanity with a linen cabinet. Let's go check out the theater. So as we come in here, you're gonna notice the sconce lights that are all the way around here on the walls, providing really nice accent lighting when you're in the room here. The other thing is the LED tape light that goes all the way around the tray ceiling feature that we have here. You can change colors on it, really awesome feature. We've got a 4K laser Sony projector, putting a huge image on the wall here, perfect for movie nights, sports, games, anything you can think of for entertaining with your friends. Let's go check out the wet bar. This wet bar and pool table space has it all. The homeowners match the countertops, the cabinets, and the backsplash to their kitchen upstairs. It's got glass upper cabinets, floating shelves with LED lights here, and the ultimate appliance package. We've got 2 beverage coolers, a dishwasher, an ice maker, and a microwave. Really nice pendant lights here. Grab a drink from the beverage cooler, come over, shoot a game of pool with your friends. We've got speakers in the ceiling. It's awesome. Before we go to the gym, I got a surprise for you. Hidden mechanical room. Welcome to the gym. Check out this gym mat, rubber flooring, super heavy duty. We've got massive gym mirrors running all the way down the wall here. Plenty of space for a power rack, treadmill, rowing machine, dumbbells. The homeowner here loves music, loves playing the drums. He's got his drum set up in here, TVs, speakers. It's got everything you want.